Let's wax my underarms using Sexy Smooth Wax as a esthetician at home. So what my armpits are looking like right now, months ago from school, how it used to be compared to how it looks like now. The growth usually takes around 2 to 4 weeks for me at least. This is the only other hard wax that I've used other than being at school. And wash your hands first and then I'll meet you. Started waxing myself at home just because I wanted to continue my journey with waxing. It typically lasts a lot longer for me and I think it's worth it, but you always want to use gloves. I'm using the Satin Smooth Cleanser and then I'll be using a 4x4 with it as well. You just want to put it on your area that you're going to be waxing. Just be sure that you're patting this dry. You just want to make sure it's not too runny quickly. It's way too hot to apply to the skin. I'm going to just test it right here. It's not going to be looking pretty as much as you guys can see. Well, you just want to tap it to make sure it's dry. Flick it. My hair grows in 2 different directions, so I like to wipe off all my wax. Make sure you're applying pressure. It's kind of hard because I don't usually do this in camera. Just pretty much hairs she pulled out. See all these wax. It kind of typically takes me a little bit longer, but today, my machine's dry. I'm gonna figure 8 everything just because this pull, I like to go like this. I'll probably run down my shirt. It's a lot harder to do it yourself. I'm also gonna just do it on one pull. Make sure you're applying it in the right direction when you do this. See some of them. I'm gonna apply the cleanup strip. You can go in any direction. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull it. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I take it off. Smooth release with a 4x4. And then like with the easy it was to remove. And lastly, I'll be using the aloe that I'll be having with it. Thank y'all for watching. I am gonna go ahead and clean my station. I'll come back with another waxing video. Okay.